Yeah, man. What up, man? I ain't nothing much, man. Over here with these puppies. That's what I'm selling. American Bullies. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got 7 boys, 8 girls over here. They going for starting out at 3K a pop. 3K. What, you trying to get one? Man, like I said, man, you know we can work something out.
Bro.
Just let me know.
Hey, bro.
Hey, hold on, I'm call you right back.
Yeah, man, you need to get out the phone for this, man. Hey, man. We don't understand. I'm speaking on behalf of Chapo because he's the father. We don't understand why he can't get a weekend with the babies. With them his babies.
A weekend with the babies?
Yeah.
The babies gotta be with the mama.
They gotta be with
That's
the
how they can survive. The babies gotta be on the nipple.
They can survive with him.
How they gonna survive with him? He don't got no nipples.
Hold on. Chopper. What'd you say? What? Now Pete is out. He just told me. We do not, you say no? We do not want to sell his baby. He don't want to sell his babies.
Okay. So I got a solution. This is what we can do. We can put him on child support.
Oh, child support?
Child support.
You didn't say nothing about no child support. You didn't. Let's go. We out here. Hey, no. Don't even worry about it. You right. Let me stay with the mama. Child support wasn't needed.